What if we suddenly lost the internet? Forever? The day the world went dark. Imagine waking up tomorrow, and your phone can't connect. No messages, no Google, no online maps. What happens next? How would the world survive? In the first day, mass confusion would spread. Businesses can't process payments. Stock markets freeze. ATMs go offline. Planes lose navigation updates. Emergency services struggle to coordinate. Most of us rely on cloud-based apps even for basic tasks. Social media? Gone. News? In just a week, food supply chains start breaking. Supermarkets rely on just-in-time inventory systems. Hospitals struggle to get electronic medical records. Pharmacies can't refill prescriptions correctly. Cash-only systems return, but most don't have physical money. Trust collapses as official news is inaccessible. Within a month, governments start rationing essential supplies. Old analog communication systems make a comeback. Cities become increasingly isolated. With no GPS, logistics are nearly impossible. Many small businesses close permanently. A new black market for information emerges. People with ham radios become local heroes. Economies would fundamentally change. Globalization depends on fast digital connections. Without it, local manufacturing and farming become essential. Education returns to physical classrooms. Slower access to materials impacts learning. Research and scientific collaboration grind to a halt. Political systems fracture without online coordination. Authoritarian regimes might rise or fall quickly. Could we rebuild the internet? In theory, yes. It would take decades to re-establish. We would have to start from scratch. Relay fiber and re-establish satellites. Rebuild trust in the system. The internet isn't just a tool. It's become the nervous system of our civilization. Losing it forever wouldn't just break our gadgets. It would change what it means to be human today. What would you miss most if the internet disappeared tomorrow? Comment below and let's imagine together.